Hi folks, Cody here with another Protocase Designer tutorial. For this video, I'm going to show you how to place objects from Protocase Designer's Library Manager. Protocase Designer enables you to create custom objects for your design, including cutouts, graphics, exclusion zones, and more in the exact shape and dimension that you need. But Protocase Designer also includes a large library of objects that you can place right into your design. Let's walk through how to access this now. In the Face Editor, you'll see a drop-down menu in the top right corner called Library. Click Go to launch the Library Manager. The library is organized by categories of items, such as cutouts, graphics, hardware, fasteners, components, and personal. Click on the tab to see all of the items in the library for that category. There are folders within each tab with different categories. For example, as you can see in the Cutout tab, there are many different subfolders for things like AC receptacles, fans, fuse holders, LEDs, switches, and more. To open one of the folders, you just need to double-click. And then you'll see all of the subfolders for that option. When you find an object you want to place in your design, click Place this item while having that specific object selected. If it's an object that you want to use in your design, but you'd like to edit it for your own personal use case, click Create Copy for Edit. This will add a copy of that specific object to your personal library. If you go over to the Personal tab, you can see the object you just copied to your personal library. Once you select it, you'll see the options you can do with this on the right side. Place the item as is, edit the item, which will give you the option to edit the info about the item or the item itself. Update with new file. You can use this to update the selected cutout either with a PDC file, which is Protocase Designer Cutout, or a DXF file. Export to file, which will export the file as a PDC or Protocase Designer Cutout file. Delete item, which will delete the item from your personal library, not the library manager itself. You can also use the search field at the top of the library manager to find the specific object you need. For instance, if I'm looking for a wing handle cam latch, I can use the search bar to find it quickly. You just need to make sure you're on the right tab for the category you're searching for. If I need to place a Q6 LED panel mount cutout, I can use the search bar while on the Cutout tab to search Q6 and quickly find the right cutout. That's it for the overview of the Protocase Designer Library Manager. As always, thanks for watching.